Good evening. You are tuned into Such the Reality with me, Nana Sari. Let's have a quick look at the top 10 headlines of the day. The Supreme Court was informed that Assam, along with Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan, has constituted transgender welfare boards to address social welfare issues of the transgender community. 6 arrested for slaughtering beef and posting video on social media in Assam. The incident has sparked public outcry, particularly after the Assam government's move to strengthen the Cattle Preservation Act and impose a beef ban. Police continue their investigation. Assam's Kolliapur athletes stole the spotlight at the International Taekwondo Championship in Bhutan, securing 4 gold medals. Ankita Bora, Loharjyoti Bora, Krishanku Bora and Panchi Hazarika led the charge, earning gold in their respective categories. India clinched a total of 3 gold medals, defeating rivals from Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Parajyoti Das was also honored with the Best Instructor Award 2025 for his exceptional coaching. In a tragic incident at Rayagara railway station, Orissa, a 55-year-old migrant laborer, Narasingha Kanda, lost his life on Tuesday after coming into contact with a high-voltage power wire while climbing atop a goods train. Kanda, who had been working as a migrant laborer in Sikandarpur, was returning home with his wife and son. According to sources, he was unwell and had decided to return to his native place to recover. A truck carrying fruits and vendors overturned on National Highway 63 in Karnataka's Uttara Kannada district early Wednesday. The mishap claimed 10 lives and left 12 others injured. The victims, primarily vendors transporting goods, were traveling when the vehicle lost control and overturned. Emergency services rushed to the scene and the injured were shifted to nearby hospitals for treatment. The cause of the accident is under investigation. As part of the Indian Coast Guard's 49th Racing Day, the Sentinels of the Sea, Sarhad Se Samandar motorcycle expedition will be flagged off on January 22, 2025 from Atari border, Amritsar, covering 2,300 km in 10 days to promote maritime security, national unity and environmental awareness, concluding in Mumbai on February 1, 2025. India has agreed to cooperate with the Trump administration in identifying and deporting Indian nationals living illegally in the United States. Approximately 18,000 individuals have been identified, although the number may be higher. A devastating fire broke out at the Grand Kartal Hotel in Kartalkaya, Turkey, early Tuesday, killing at least 76 people and injuring 51 others. The blaze ravaged the 12-story hotel packed with guests during the school holiday. Tragically, at least 2 victims died after jumping from the building to escape the flames. Officials are still investigating the cause of the incident. In the move targeting illegal immigration, US President Donald Trump has shut down the CBP One app, which was launched to assist asylum seekers in scheduling appointments to enter the US legally. As of January 7th, 280,000 people use the app daily, but now all pending appointments have been cancelled, leaving migrants in limbo. The app's closure is expected to disrupt the asylum process, particularly for those with urgent health or financial needs. Oscar-nominated actor Ryan Gosling is reportedly in negotiations to star in a new Star Wars film directed by Sean Levy. The project, developed in 2022, will be a standalone film separate from the Skywalker saga. The movie is expected to explore new characters and narratives within the Star Wars universe. Filming could begin as soon as fall 2025 if Gosling's deal is finalized.